Barbecue fam, today we're doing up chicken lollipops on the char-griller 980. Oh hell yeah, check this out. Prepare your chicken drumsticks. All you're gonna do is cut along the meat and then scrape down the bone and pull that off, cut off any of those tendons, and then you're gonna hit them up with some avocado oil, rub them up real good, and then hit it with your favorite rub. I'm using Uncle Steve's, the competition bird powder. Oh hell yeah. And then later on we're gonna dunk these into some killer barbecue sauce and let them rest up. And this is a pretty easy cook. They don't always stand perfectly fine, but that's just a-okay. They're gonna taste perfectly fine in the end. Oh hell yeah. So I'm going to be cooking about 250 degrees with some wood lump charcoal. Throw in some cherry chunks of wood in the bottom of this 980, and that'll develop some smoke. And we're going to try to get that skin a little crispy, so we're going to crank that up before we dunk them into the barbecue sauce. Oh hell yeah. So you want to smoke these chicken thighs up to about 165 degrees in the thickest part of the meat. Crank up the temp a little bit. Try to crisp up that skin while you're warming up your barbecue sauce, because you're going to dunk these in and put them back on your tray, or if you want to put them right on your grill grates, that's fine. Cleanup sucks, just warning you. And then bring that up about another 20 minutes or so, and they're ready to pull, rock and roll. Oh hell yeah, chicken lollipops. So the chicken's cooked already, and we're trying to get that crispy skin before we dunk them into the barbecue sauce of your choice. I'm using Blues Hog. Oh hell yeah, the original is dynamite for chicken lollipops. So these chicken legs are done, 165, 170. We cranked up that temp to get the skin crispy. Now we're gonna dunk them into that Blues Hog barbecue sauce. We're gonna pull them back out, put them on that sheet pan with the warming rack in there. Oh hell yeah, check this out. So you get these chicken lollipops up to about 165, 175. Nice crispy skin. Dunk them into the barbecue sauce. Bring that heat back down on your grill to about 250. Let it set for about 15 minutes and then pull it out, let it rest. 5-10 minutes, rock and roll, you're ready to go.
Give me a hell yeah!
All right, check these guys out. Boom. Chicken lollipops on the char-griller 980. Oh hell yeah. Smells delicious. Let's give it a try. Oh, hell yeah. Now, time to devour one of these bad boys.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Chicken legs, that's the way to do it. All day, every day. Oh, hell yeah. So juicy. So delicious. That Blues Hog and Uncle Steve's bird powder, winning combination. Oh, hell yeah. That's the only way to do chicken legs. Can't go wrong. So good. Easy recipe, awesome results. Oh hell yeah. Go do it. Leave a comment down below. Have you ever tried chicken lollipops? If not, what are you waiting for? Oh hell yeah.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Did I say chicken thighs? Are you f***ing kidding me? So these chicken lollipops are very easy to do. Delicious, way better. I'm not a fan of a drumstick, but when you cut out that chunk and pull out some of those tendons, it makes a beautiful bite of a chicken leg. Oh hell yeah. And then hit it with your favorite barbecue sauce, making these chicken lollipops. Oh hell yeah.